the reason I wanted to be a teacher was I wanted to help people. So initially, I thought I could be a police officer and help people, but I'm like, that's more reactionary. Like I'm not knocking the profession or anything. It's an honorable profession, but like I'll be meeting people on their worst day. Like, do I want that stress? And then I thought social worker. It's like I still want to help people, but I was like I'll still be meeting people on their worst day. I had to be dealing with domestic violence issues, child neglect issues, and that's kind of triggering. I grew up in a household with that as a kid, so it's like, do I still want to be meeting people on their worst day? And then I thought a teacher could help people. Everybody had that teacher who underestimated them, and you want to prove them wrong. And there's always that teacher that believed in you, that gave you that extra push to get it done academically, letting you know that you are smarter than you're presenting yourself. So, and then there's also kids that fall through the cracks, and you're like, how does this happen? So, me myself as a kid that would slip through the cracks.